Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how I was able to trade these two moves. That's for a long and a short position. One is following the trend, while one is a counter trend. So I'm going to clear everything and show you how I was able to come up with this strategy. So this is the structure of the market. This is USD and first of all, it is always very important that before you find your entry in the market, you have to follow the structure or the trend. So now, initially the market was downtrending, which it is when the market was creating lower lows and lower highs till this point. In the market now created a break of structure, breaking above the former lower high, made a pullback, now created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and creating another break of structure, which is higher high. Now we're expecting a pullback to this zone for the continuation. So now, if we look, we can see that the market is uptrending. So now, let's talk about how I was able to catch that moves in the market. So I'll be clearing this. Now, normally I trade with 1 hour. Trade with 15 minutes time frame. So I'll be heading over to the 15 minutes time frame. This is a 15 minutes time frame, and we should understand that whenever there is a break of structure, the market will always make a pullback before the impulsive move or the continuation of the trend. Now, after the market within this zone made a pullback to this area, now this pullback was valid because of this single candle order block. So what I did is I mapped out this zone, waiting for the market to come down to this point. Now when market approached that point, I like trading what is called liquidity sweep, also known as so now the market cleared the former pullback, which is known as a sweep. So this is a sweep, and thereby after sweeping it created a single candle order block. So I actually like trading this single candle order block. Now whenever the market sweep the former pullback, what you do is you map out that last candlestick that swept off that former pullback as your entry. So now see, mapping out the candlestick as your entry. Now you don't need an inducement for you to buy whenever there is a sweep. So now you can see that the market made a movement to the upside like this. So made a movement to the upside, now came back to that single candle order block and mitigated that zone. So that is where I had placed my entry. Immediately there was that sweep occurred in the market. I placed my entry, waiting for the market to come down. So targeting the former high. So that's here, targeting this zone. So there was how I was able to catch this move. Now let's talk about this one. This is actually a counter trend. So first of all, now there's another sweep here. There's another sweep here, That's liquidity sweep. So what do I mean by sweep? Whenever the market breaks above former pullback or below without closing with the body of the candlestick, it is done as a sweep. So, and that shows that that is not a break of structure. So that shows that the market is actually going to reverse whenever that happens. So now when I saw that sweep in the market, so what I now did is I mapped out that candlestick that swept off that zone. Now placed my entry. So targeting this low. So that was how the market now went towards my TP. So if you look very well, you understand that the first move and this move, both of them were entered using the same strategy. So I talked about in my previous video how you can trade with a single candle order block. So let me do a little recap. Single candle order block is that last candlestick, that swept out the former high. Let me say this zone now, like this candlestick now. It swept out this high, that's this former candlestick, this particular zone. So that last candlestick that swept off the previous candlestick is the one known as the single candle order block. And what you do is you map it out whenever there is a sweep. Map it out, then wait for the market to come to your orders, and immediately to get picked, then it will head to your entry zone. So I just want this video to be very simple and short, so you can go and backtest it and see if it will also work for you. So thank you. So please like, comment and subscribe, and have a good day.